What's going on, everyone? Well, today it's been nice and warm out the last few days. It's really warm out today right now. I came on over, focus phone, there we go. Came on over and got the 454 that I bought at an auction last year for $100. I got it put on an engine stand, and I'm gonna start pulling it apart and checking everything out. Hopefully everything's in good shape. So I already pulled the valve covers off, and everything looks good in here. Looks pretty clean. I checked all these, are all tight. So the only thing I noticed over here is, where is it here? Right there. There's been a little weld job on that bracket there, so not sure why that is, how that would have gotten broken. But yeah, other than that, I mean, everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this intake off and get that pulled off. Alright, that's better. Got all that crud cleaned off the top of the intake. And another thing, when I took the valve covers off, there's grease. I mean, it looks like grease, just, all over. I don't know why somebody would put grease there. Like right here. Grease. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna try and get this intake off without breaking any bolts. Cross our fingers. Of course, if I feel like they're gonna snap, I'm not gonna put a lot of force on them. Try and work them back and forth. Okay. There's that side. See what's going on here. Oh, those two are already loose. And that one is. Let's see if we can pry her off of here. Coming right off. Looks like it's already loose on there. Alright, let's see if we can just try and pick it up off here. There we go. Pull this glove out of here. Oh man, heavy. All right. Looks pretty clean. I don't see anything sticking out at me. No, anything bad. That cam looks pretty worn. But, of course, I'm planning on doing a full rebuild with this, so I'm gonna replace the cam and all that. Oh, I didn't even see this here. Bent rod. Pretty bad. Oh, there's a couple bent rods. Wow, how did I not see that? Well, that's not too good. Yeah, that's not too good. I guess now... Well, this side doesn't look horrible. They all look okay. I think this one might have a slight bend in it. Maybe that one. No, yeah, it looks like quite a few of them are bent. Yeah, that's not too good. So I guess need to get the heads pulled off and make sure the pistons are okay. Well, then too, the other thing I need to do is I need to drain the oil out of the pan, turn it over, and get the pan off and check it out underneath. But I'll probably do that in another video. And this thing, you know, it does spin over. It turns freely. It's not seized up or anything. But yeah, bent rods, not a good sign. But, all right, I guess I'll pull the bolts out. Probably this head, because it already has the exhaust manifold off it. Guess we'll try and get the bolts out of this and pull her off, and at least check the pistons on this side. Okay, so we got all the bolts out, which took a while. They were really, really tight. I don't have a breaker bar. I need to invest in one. But I think we got them all out. We're going to try and pry it off. And also try not to drop it. Maybe we'll do it like this. There we go. Okay. Looks pretty nasty, although tops of the pistons, and they don't look tore up, they're just filthy. I don't see any chips or anything like that, so I guess that's good. Let me peel this off. Or try. And I don't see, well, maybe there, any, like, burnt marks, like where the head gasket failed. So, that's good. If we can get her off. Come on. Now I'm dropping the rods, but it doesn't matter because they're going to be replaced anyways. Alright, well, I can't peel it off with one hand. But anyways, and surface looks good. This place, it's pretty filthy. well, yeah, I don't know what the other side's gonna look like. But yeah, that cam is definitely toast, which is fine because it'll be replaced. Yeah, so I think this is all I'm gonna do with it for now. So I'll come back in another video and we'll drain the oil and get the pan off and see what it looks like under there. Check all the bearings and all that good stuff. So that's gonna be it for now, everyone. So I'll come back later and do another video on we'll pull the oil pan off and check out everything in there. But for now, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe, and have a good one.